What if the biggest problem with action cameras was never the camera itself? Think about it. Whether you're surfing, wakeboarding, kayaking, paddleboarding, jet skiing, or just spending a day on the water, you're always stuck holding a camera, mounting a camera, or hoping someone else captures that shot. And that's where the HOVERAir Aqua comes in. And it might be one of the most unique drones we've seen in years. Instead of being another flying camera trying to compete directly with DJI, the Aqua is designed around a completely different idea. It's a self-flying waterproof camera built specifically for water adventures, and that single design decision changes everything. Traditional drones hate water. One splash, one bad landing, one unexpected wave, and you could be looking at a very expensive mistake. And the Aqua was built to solve that problem from the ground up. In fact, HOVERAir calls it the world's first self-flying camera designed specifically for the water. And unlike conventional drones that need a dry launch pad and careful landing, the Aqua can actually take off from water and land on water. Thanks to its floating design and positive buoyancy, it stays on the surface instead of sinking. And if you've ever worried about losing a drone in a lake, river, or an ocean, that's a pretty big deal. And the waterproof design isn't just marketing either. The drone itself carries an IP67 rating. It includes more than 15 waterproof and anti-corrosion innovations designed to survive harsh aquatic environments. And that means splash, spray, rain, and water exposure all are part of the intended experience rather than something to avoid. The engineers even developed specialized waterproof components throughout the aircraft and added anti-corrosion protection to help it withstand challenging conditions. And one of the most interesting features is the inclusion of millimeter wave radar technology. That's something you rarely hear about in consumer drones. And the radar helps detect wave height and water surface conditions, allowing the drone to better judge takeoffs, landings, and low altitude flight over water. Water creates unique challenges for drone sensors because reflection and constantly moving surfaces can confuse traditional systems, and the Aqua was designed specifically to deal with those challenges. And of course, a drone is only as good as the footage it captures. The HOVERAir packs some surprisingly capable hardware into this little aircraft, and the Aqua uses a large 1 to 1.28 inch CMOS sensor, which is significantly larger than what many compact action cameras use. Larger sensors, they collect more light, preserve more detail, and generally produce better image quality. Especially in difficult lighting situations, water environments can be particularly tricky because bright reflections, glare, and constantly changing lighting conditions often challenge the camera system. To combat that, the Aqua uses water-optimized optics, features a hydrophobic lens coating that helps repel water droplets because they ruin your footage. And the lens also includes that anti-fog capabilities to maintain image quality in humid conditions. Combined with a multi-layer optic design intended to reduce the distortion and glare, the result is footage that stays sharp, clear, and even in environments where most cameras struggle. Video capabilities are equally impressive, and the drone can record 4K video at up to 100 frames per second, allowing users to create dramatic slow motion sequences of waves, crashing, water splashing, and fast-moving action. And whether you're filming a wakeboard jump or a high-speed run across the lake, that extra frame rate flexibility can make a huge difference during editing. And stabilization is another area where the Aqua focuses heavily. The company uses what is called a Smooth Capture 3.0 stabilization to keep footage looking cinematic even when the drone is flying in windy conditions or tracking fast-moving subjects. Speaking of tracking, autonomous flying is really where the Aqua separates itself from traditional drones. Many people don't want to learn complicated flying controls or carry bulky controllers around while enjoying outdoor activities. And the Aqua was designed to function more like an intelligent flying cameraman, and users can activate various automated flying modes that allow the drone to follow, orbit, track, and capture them without requiring constant manual control. And one example is the orbit mode, where the drone circles around the subject while maintaining the focus. The result is footage that normally requires a skilled drone pilot, yet the Aqua handles it automatically. And other tracking modes are designed specifically for water sports, allowing the drone to maintain focus on moving subjects while capturing dynamic angles that would otherwise be impossible. To support these features, HOVERAir developed a wearable accessory known as the Lighthouse. This device helps the drone maintain accurate tracking even when operating over water where traditional visual tracking systems can struggle. The Lighthouse also allows users to control flight functions and interact with the drone without needing to return to shore. Another unique feature is the built-in display. Most drones, they require you to connect to a smartphone, tablet, or controller just to view settings and footage. The Aqua includes an onboard screen, allowing users to review the footage, adjust the settings, and manage functions directly from the aircraft. It's a small detail, but it simplifies the overall experience and considerably. Flight performance is surprisingly strong as well. Despite weighing under 250 grams, the Aqua offers approximately 23 minutes of flight time and features 128 gigabytes of built-in storage. The lightweight design also provides an important regulatory advantage because drones under 250 grams often face fewer regulation requirements in many countries. Wind resistance is another area where the Aqua performs well, with claims of handling level 7 wind conditions and tracking speeds up to 34 miles per hour. And that's important because water environments are often windy, and a drone designed for lakes, beaches, and oceans need to remain stable in conditions that would challenge smaller aircraft. Now, does the Aqua completely replace a traditional drone? And not necessarily. If your primary goal is a professional aerial photography, a long-range exploration, or advanced cinematic filmmaking, there are still larger drones that offer better image quality, longer flight times, and more sophisticated camera systems. But that's not really what the Aqua is trying to be. Instead, it occupies an entirely different category. Think of it less as a competitor or to traditional drones and more as the evolution of the action camera. Rather than mounting a GoPro to your helmet or chest, the camera flies around you autonomously and captures perspectives that were previously impossible for solo creators. And that's what makes the Aqua so interesting. It isn't just another drone with slightly better specs, it's attempting to create an entirely new type of product for surfers, kayakers, paddleboarders, boaters, swimmers, and outdoor adventurers. The ability to launch from water, land on water, and float safely, and track subjects automatically solves problems that have existed for years. And whether the Aqua becomes a mainstream success remains to be seen, but one thing is certain. The drone industry has spent years making drones better at flying, and the HOVERAir AQUA asks a different question. What if a drone was designed around where you can actually use it? And for anyone who spends time on the water, that question may have produced one of the most innovative flying cameras we've seen in a very long time. And sources and specifications referenced from official HOVERAir product information and recent hands-on reviews. Thanks for watching. If you found value to this, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.